Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a meal for puppies, and so I thought I'd bring you along. Today we're going to be doing brown rice, yellow bell pepper, one sweet potato, and we're going to be using a can of flaked light tuna. Is it safe to give your puppy canned tuna? Yes, in moderation. The one thing about canned tuna compared to fresh tuna is there's going to be a lot of sodium in this tin of tuna. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Whoops, that would be a lot easier. Get in there. Okay, there we go. We're going to open this up and we're going to put it in a strainer or a colander, and we're going to rinse it really, really well to get a lot of the sodium out of the tuna, and then we're going to prepare it. The water is boiling, so I'm going to put the rice on. I'm going to dice half of yellow bell pepper for the meal, and I'm going to do half of it for, actually not a half, just a little quarter for the cold salad. For the cold salad, we're going to do half of an apple, cold cucumber, and a banana will be for their salad today. So let me dice everything up and I'll bring everybody back to show you when I put it all together.
Make sure you rinse your canned tuna very, very well. It contains sodium, and that is what my mom rinsing away. We would not advise that you get this canned tuna often, as it would not be good for the puppy's digestive. But once in a while, if prepared properly, as okay. Puppies will eat anything that you give them. It's up to us as a puppy owners to make sure we give them certain things in moderation. It's the first time we are going to be having canned tuna since we came into this world, and we are very excited to try it. It's such a rainy day outside, so we appreciate our mom making today a special day for us. Taste the sweet potatoes, very small, and dice the yellow bell peppers, very small. Add it to a pan and saute it for 2 minutes. Then add half a cup of water and let everything soften. In the meantime, rinse the brown rice and put it to boil for 20 minutes. When the rice is boiled, you will combine everything.
I'm going to add some water to this. And all we're going to do is just let this kind of come together and soften up before we add the rice. Let's just put a cover on it and let it just go for about 10-15 minutes. We'll come back and check it. So we finished our salad. As you can see, I diced everything up really, really small. We've got the apples, and we've got the cucumbers and the little bell peppers, which will be really nice. It's a rainy day, but it's really humid. So I think puppies will really appreciate this. We only did half of a banana because it's the first time we're introducing banana to the puppies. Don't know how their tummies are going to handle it, so we're just going to do a little taste of the banana. Let's go give it to puppies and see if they like it. We're going to start with a cold snack first because it's going to be a little while before their lunch is ready. So let's see if they like these.
When we get new food or mom introduces 10 new ingredients, sometimes it takes us a while to eat it. She puts it down and allows us to be curious at her own time. Some of us like some ingredients more than others, but most of the times we will finish our cold salad because we love it.
Normally when we put something new down, it takes them a minute, but they are slowly checking it out. So we used half of the potato for our puppy meal, and I thought I was going to try to make some sweet potato chews. Since they were so expensive at the store, I thought, why not try to dehydrate some sweet potatoes myself? So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by blanching these in some hot water. I'm just going to stick these in the water for about 5 minutes to just cook them a little bit, and then I'm going to put them in the air fryer to dehydrate. Wish me luck, everyone. It's the first time I'm doing something like this, so let's see how it goes. Let's add these to the water just to get them soft in the middle. I YouTube this, believe it or not, and they said if you don't cook them a little bit after you dehydrate, they might go black, and nobody wants. I want them to look appetizing and yummy. So we're gonna stick these in the water just to kind of get them cooked through a little bit for about 5 minutes. And then once these are cooked through, I'm gonna take them off and put them in the toaster oven to dehydrate. There we go. I left the skins on them because that's how it looked in the bag, so we're gonna leave the skin on these. Oops, let's get that back on there. Get that going. Let's check out our sweet potatoes. Whoops. Perfect, these are all cooked. We can check a potato and it's nice and soft. So let's add our tuna in there. Remember, wash your tuna really good to get a lot of that sodium out. And we're just gonna take the stove off, let that sit, and let's wait for our rice. I would say these are done. Let's take that off. Get the water out of it. And let's put it in the air fryer. As you can see, I put some bananas on there as well. Let's try the other half of the banana and see what happens. I've never dehydrated anything before. Cross our finger and let's see what happens. It says this should take about 6 to 8 hours, so we probably won't get the result until later today. I'll lay these out. Nothing special, just cooked through so they're soft in the middle. And now we're gonna dehydrate and get our own sweet potato chews. Let's see how this works out. Because I mean, that was $11 a bag, and that was for about 6 pieces of sweet potato chews. So let's try to make this ourselves and let's see how it comes out. Just lay these out all over the pan. Let's just get this back in the air fryer. We just push the dehydrate button and start, and so far it says about 7 hours. So let's see what happens. So the rice was ready. We added it in and we're just gonna mix everything up. We're gonna let all the water absorb. I added a little bit of the rice water to this. I'm gonna let the rice water absorb and then we are going to give to puppies for lunch. Tuna, yellow bell peppers, sweet potato, and brown rice. How delicious is that? As we can see, puppies loved it. And that was just about the amount that they would have eaten. That's really good. Let's go get them their lunch. So I did about a cup of kibbles, and I'm going to do about another cup and a half rice, tuna, and sweet potato with bell peppers. Let's mix this up. I couldn't tell you how good this feels whenever I'm able to make a meal for my puppies. I'll tend to make a little bit more than needed so I can have for today and for tomorrow. So puppy's meal is ready to go. Let's get them some water and let's see if puppies like their rice. Puppies love their lunch. Who loves their lunch? Should we do some more bowls, do you think? Who loves their lunch? Puppy's bed's a big mess. They're not too bad. We just cleaned all the toys out. They've been in there causing some trouble. We changed their closet up, as you can see. Look at that, with all their little jackets. And then we have a section for their toys now. And then we have a section for their blankies. Maybe we'll do a little video on their crate another day. But this setup has been working really good with maintaining it. Puppies are loving their lunch. You loving it? Are you loving it, Bear? And they're even sharing with friends. Prince is gonna try it. He is the pickiest out of all the puppies, I think, is Prince. Yep, I think he'll come back to it. He's not ready. Bear is trying it out, and he loves it. The first two puppies were Snoop and Havana. They tend to try everything and love everything. Oh, I wanted to make a note. They did not go for the banana. They love the cucumbers, they love the apples, they love the peppers, but they did not go for the banana. None of the bananas. They tried it, but they did not like it. so no more bananas for puppies. Bear, do you love it? Bear? You loving it, buddy? And that's it for the puppy meal. I think this one was a winner as well. That was 10 tuna, kibbles, brown rice, sweet potato, and yellow bell peppers. And this is going to be finished in no time. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Please come back and join us on our journey. See what else we come up with. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Before we forget and we end this video, the sweet potatoes are dehydrating. Amazing. I'm so excited. The bananas are doing a great job. I've already flipped them once. All the water from boiling it is gone. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. The sweet potatoes. And let's try the dehydrated bananas and see what's going to happen. But maybe we'll do another video on the sweet potato chews and from beginning to end. But before we end this video, I just wanted you to see what's happening with our sweet potatoes. So excited. Can't wait to do a video on sweet potato chews. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share a video with a friend. Help us grow our YouTube channel. We love and appreciate each and every one of you.